Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's class we are going to learn a important concept under partnership firm, that is profit and loss appropriation account. So this topic is very important for your exam also. So listen very carefully. Clear? So this profit and loss appropriation account, it is merely an extension of profit and loss account of the firm. Clear? So profit and loss account of the firm is, in final accounts we prepare trading and profit and loss account, right? So trading account we will prepare to calculate the gross profit or gross loss, and profit and loss account, next we will prepare the profit and loss account. That one we will prepare to calculate the net profit or net loss. Clear? So after, in partnership firms, profit and loss appropriation account that is prepared to show how the net profit is distributed among the partners. Clear? So to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, we need profit and loss account of the firm, because we are using the net profit in profit and loss appropriation account that is distributed among the partners through salary, interest on capital, interest on drawings and profit sharing ratio. Clear? So before preparing profit and loss appropriation account, we have to prepare the profit and loss account. Means that is a profit and loss appropriation account. It is merely an extension of profit and loss account of the firm. Clear? So let's see what is profit and loss appropriation account. It is prepared by partnership firms to show how the net profit is distributed among the partners. Clear? So this account prepared by the partnership firms to show how the net profit that is distributed among the partners through salary, interest on capital, interest on drawings and profit sharing ratio. Clear? All adjustments in respect of partner's salary, see here, partner's commission, interest on capital, interest on drawings, etc. are made through this account. And it starts with net profit or net loss as per the profit and loss account. Clear? So profit and loss appropriation account, it shows how the profits are distributed or appropriated, as the name only says, among the partners. That's it. Clear? So let's see the journal entries and the format of profit and loss appropriation account. So these are the journal entries and this is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? So first, profit and loss appropriation account, it begins with net profit or net loss. Clear? Means this entry transfers the final profit or loss from the profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? Transferring of profit or loss from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? First one, see, if there is net profit, means profit earned by the business that is distributed or transferred, that is transferred for distribution among the partners. See, if there is net profit, means profit and loss account shows a credit balance. Clear? Profit and loss account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Means here, see the format, profit and loss account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. So while preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, here profit and loss account is debited. Means in the profit and loss appropriation account, what we need to do? We need to credit. You remember the ledger entries, right? We are now preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. This is the journal entry. So profit and loss account here debited. In profit and loss appropriation account, we need to credit. See here, by profit and loss, if there is profit. So it begins with net profit or loss. So if there is net loss, what we have to do? Means profit and loss account shows a debit balance, right? So the entry is opposite to net profit. Means profit and loss appropriation account debtor to profit and loss account. Means we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Here this profit and loss account is credited. Means while preparing this profit and loss appropriation account, we need to debit. That's it. That is the logic. Clear? See here. Debit to profit and loss account if there is loss. Clear? That's it. Now first entry is over. Now second one, that is interest on capital. First, where we need to enter this interest on capital, in the last class we learned about fixed and fluctuating capital method. Maintenance of partners capitals account, right? So in that first we need to allow the interest on capital there. That is the entries interest on capital account debtor to partners capital or current account, right? Partners capital or current account, if we preparing the partners capital or current account, so here interest on capital account is debited. We need to, in partners capital account, we need to credit. You know, right, that one. After that we need to transfer this interest on capital to profit and loss appropriation account. So what is the journal entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. Interest on capital, that is treated as appropriation of profit. So it is transferred to appropriation account. So transfer to means profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. To interest on capital, here credited. In profit and loss appropriation, we need to debit to interest on capital. Clear? And next one. Now net profit and net loss is over. Second one is interest on capital. Third one is interest on drawings. In fixed and fluctuating capital method, what we will do? First we need to charge the interest on drawings there. That is the entries partners capital or current account debtor to interest on drawings account. Now we need to transfer this profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawings account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Means the partners withdraw money for personal use. Interest is charged on drawings. Interest received from the partners increases the firm's profit. Clear? Increases the firm's profit. Interest on drawings account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Means under profit and loss appropriation account, interest on drawings account is credited. See here. Interest on drawings by interest on drawings. Here the logic is just the fixed and fluctuating capital method. There we will prepare the partner's capital or current account, right? Exactly the opposite of that account, that is the profit and loss appropriation account. See, in partner's capital or current account, we used to debit the interest on drawings and credit the interest on capital, right? But in profit and loss appropriation, we will debit interest on capital and credit interest on drawings. In that way you need to remember. That's it. Clear? Now next one, see here, partner's salary. Partner salary. First allowing salary to the partner. Salary to partner account debtor to partner's capital or current account. Here we will credit the salary account. But in profit and loss appropriation account, we need to debit it. That's it. See, profit and loss appropriation account debtor to salary to partner's account. See here, to salary to partner's account. In this way, you need to remember. It's very easy. Clear? Now, salary is over. After that, next one, partner's commission. First one, we need to credit the commission. Clear? In partner's capital or current account, we will credit, right? Commission to partner's account debtor to partner's capital or current account. But in profit and loss appropriation, we need to debit the commission to partner's capital account. See, the entry is profit and loss appropriation account debtor to commission to partner's capital account. See here, debit to commission. That's it. And after that, share of profit or loss. If there is profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partner's capital or current account. If profit, see, by partner's capital or current account. By partner's capital or current account. And if loss, partner's capital or current account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. If loss, partner's capital or current account, here debited means we need to, here see this one, this is loss, partner's capital or current account, this is the profit, sorry, to partner's capital or current account. That's it. Clear? See, profit and loss if profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partner's capital current account means here capital current account is credited, but in our profit and loss appropriation we need to debit. That's it. See, to partner's capital or current account. That is in the case of profit. If there is loss, we need to credit by partner's capital or current account. Clear? Means this share of profit or loss means remaining profit or loss that is divided among the partners in profit sharing ratio. So that's it. So this is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. See, this is one important point. If the firm suffers loss, normally interest on capital, salary to partners, commission to partners are not allowed. If there is loss, these interest on capital, salary to partners and commission to partners are not allowed. Clear? Unless specifically agreed in the partnership deed. Means if there is loss but that is mentioned in the partnership deed, you need to allow, then we need to allow. Otherwise, it is not allowed if the firm suffers a loss. Clear? That's it. This is a one important point. So this is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation, it is the extension of profit and loss account. Clear? It is prepared by the partnership to show how the net profit that is distributed among the partners through salary, interest on capital, interest on drawings and profit sharing ratio. Clear? So I hope this concept is clear to you. This is very important concept. So in the upcoming classes, we will solve practical problems. Clear? How to calculate interest on capital, interest on drawings. Clear? So I hope this is clear to you all. If you have any doubts in this class, please leave a comment. Thank you.